அனைவருக்கும் இனிய காலை வணக்கம். I'm really happy to meet you all in this wonderful forum through YouTube live streaming. We all have gathered together in our Women Empowerment Seminar, Digital Pengal. During this COVID pandemic period, we thought if we could do some program which would be useful to women, that will be helpful to their family as well as to the society. So with that thinking, we initiated this Women Empowerment Seminar. The main objective of this seminar is to help women to gain physical and mental strength and to be more stable mentally and physically. So that whatever positive vibes they get, they'll spread to their family members as well as to the society. Keeping that in mind, we have initiated this program, and today we are going to start with yoga session. For that, we have a resource person, Mrs. Vani Chandrakumar from Chennai. She's a yoga trainer as well as a Zumba trainer, and today she'll be teaching us some basic yoga steps which we can easily understand just by observing her. You can also perform when she's teaching, because as already informed to you, you need to be prepared with your yoga mats and yoga outfits so that you can perform whatever steps she's teaching live now. And again, we request you to continue this even after the session. Normally, right, when we get inspired by observing something, maybe we'll do it for 1 or 2 days, then we'll get back to our routines. Rather than that, if you all could keep that in mind and watch this video continuously and plan it regularly, automatically you'll be able to have all these steps in your mind, and you can practice it properly for yourself as well as for your family members. So on behalf of Karpam College of Engineering Women Development Cell, and on behalf of all the participants and my own behalf, I would like to thank the resource person for being with us today. And I hope this session is going to be a wonderful learning session for all of you. Wish you all happy learning. Over the session to Vani ma'am now.
Thank you, Dr. Vanitha Mani. Good morning to everyone who have joined, and I'm very happy to see you all. Today we're going to talk about yoga for general physical health and mental well-being. So yoga pati ellarku therinjirukkum, because there's a lot of talk going on today about yoga, and the government is also doing a lot of promotion. So I need not give you too much about yoga, but I would just like to give you a briefing for just a short 10 minutes, and then we will be doing our practical session today. So I love this quote and I wanted to share it with you. Yoga is not an ancient myth, okay? So it is the most beautiful inheritance of the present, and it is an essential need of today and the culture of tomorrow. So why I shared you this is because many people have a wrong information that yoga is an exercise. So it is not a physical exercise we should be doing every day. It is something more than that. It has a lot of other association to it. So Namma Pandra Yoga, it is only one part of all the 8 parts of yoga. So so that's why I shared this picture with you. It has 8 parts, that's why it's called as Ashtanga Yoga. Okay? So there are parts like yamas, niyamas, like values which people should follow in our daily life. And the third is the asanas, 4th is the pranayama, 5th is pratyahara, that is drawing all our senses. 6th is dharana, concentration, and 7 is dhyana, and the last is samadhi. So yoga means union, the union of our soul with the super consciousness. So adha samadhi, the full passage. So this is what yoga really means, and it is not just a physical exercise. So today I am going to concentrate only on our spine health. So nama spine nama healthy vachitale, all others will start falling in place. So spine and pata now, so many muscles are connected from the spine, our back muscles. So we can keep our muscles strong. Muscles strong are in the totally our physical well-being is good, right? we have a good posture. And your posture, first step to good health. I keep telling my students that first step to good health is a good posture. First, have a proper good posture. And spine na verum bones, muscles. It's not that. It has a lot of network of nerves passing through the vertebrae, right? So that's why I shared this picture. So இது வழியா உள்ள nerves எல்லாம் it is connecting to the parasympathetic nerves and the sympathetic nerves. So just by taking care of a spine, we can not only attain a good physical well-being, also a mental well-being, and thereby, yoga is a holistic approach to good health. So இதுல நம்ம physical, mental மட்டும் தான் பேசணும், but what it also has is the psychic, emotional, spiritual also. So we have a good holistic health. So that's why again and again I tell you that yoga is not a physical workout. Next. Okay, so today I am going to concentrate. So நம்ம ஸ்பைனால என்ன மூவ்மெண்ட்ஸ் பண்ண முடியும்? We can stay straight. That's what the picture shows. The lady is sitting straight, and the spine can bend forward. The spine can stretch backwards. The spine can twist, and the spine can bend laterally. So this is what I want you to do. So யோகாவே பண்ணாதவங்க, this is, let it be an awareness for you, like how to start yoga. 5 main movements which you should be doing daily just to keep your physical well-being. Okay? So this yoga. So yoga வந்து அப்படியே பயங்கரமா தலைகீழ நிக்கிறது, கால் மேல தூக்குறது, twisting like a ball, nothing like that. Even if you learn few poses, you have to learn it properly. And this is what Yoga Shastra says. I wanted to share this with you. Sthira, Sukham, Anam. So what is the meaning? Sthira means steady. So whatever pose you're doing, do it steadily. Sukham, this is what we are missing on. Okay? The pose should actually be relaxing. Be able to hold the pose steadily as well as in a relaxing manner. And that is only called as asana. So you should not be doing any yoga poses that is causing too much of pain. So keep this in mind. And final caution I want to give you is, you should always learn yoga with the proper yoga instructor. Do not follow video or books. Once you've learned for a substantial period with the supervision of somebody, then you very well practice at home on a regular basis. And also remember, it's not very important to do very advanced poses and show your flexibility and all those that, but you can do it if you're interested. But in general health, we have this 5 rules. So you have 5 fingers, so you can remember that. Spine stretching forward, spine stretching backward, spine twisting, spine stretching laterally, and spine stretching straight. On the straight la the balance, either standing straight or inversion is there. But today we are not going to touch on inversion. We are only going to touch on standing straight. Okay, last one. This is very important. Last one, but not the least. That's a right quote to tell you here. So either chumma, okay, I tell you to raise your hands, you raise your hands. In the triangle, look at this connection: the body, breath, and mind. These are the 3 main aspects of yoga in the practice. Okay, so only when these 3 are connected to really get the benefits. Summa body mattum move panni you will not get the benefits. And again, breath, the movement. So mind is the last one. Actually, very difficult to control a mind. That's why we do so many things, right? Meditation and all those stuff, but it's very tough. So the body and the breath will help you reach the mind. So yoga la maina ninga ovvoru movement ku, if I say inhale, you have to watch the movement of the breath along with the movement of the body. So in that way, you are able to mind. So mind will settle down if the breathing also settle down. So all of us, ipo check panni paranga ungaloda breathing. You're breathing fast. Even I'm breathing fast talking to you all. So the mind is little like it's not still, right? So when you do the poses, if you close your eyes and watch the breath along with the movement, the mind also will start slowly settling down. So this is a main aspects you have to remember about yoga. So today, as we talk about very general asanas, I've made it very simple because it's going to be for a general public. So you can try to follow this and then you can take it forward, go to a proper yoga instructor and learn these poses properly. Okay, so we will start. So a yoga session. So what is the schedule of a yoga session? It will start with a prayer. Then we'll be loosening each of our joints and we'll do a little warm up and there will be the core asanas and finally will be the relaxation. Today I'm not going to touch on pranayama. We're only going to touch on the physical asanas. Okay, so I think you've been instructed to have a mat. So I would kindly ask you to sit on the mat with the legs crossed. Keep your left leg inside first and then cross your right leg out. Next step, keep your spine completely straight. Keep your shoulders open and let it be relaxed down. So you have done the first asana. This asana is called as Sukhasana. So normal cross-leg position, which we were doing, the ancestors were doing regularly, that itself was an asana. So this also says yoga is a way of life. Okay? It's not just an exercise, it's a way of life. Okay, let's start with a short prayer. So bring your palms. So this is a mudra. So again, ancestors use this to greet people. But this is also yoga. This is called as Anjali Mudra. So have a gentle pressure on all the points of the palms and also the tip of the fingers. You will instantly feel a balance, a connection within you. Gently close your eyes. Before starting a prayer, you're going to watch your breath. Whether your breath is shallow or deep. What is the temperature of your breath? Is it warm? Is it cool? This will draw all your awareness within you. So before practicing yoga, you should shut all your senses from outside. Take some time to quiet yourself, calm yourself. Let's go to the prayer. Sahana vavatu, Sahanau Bhunaktu, Sahaviryam Karavavahai, Tejasvinavati Namastu, Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Just bow your head down and then slowly open your eyes. So this prayer is generally started before the session so that there is a good rapport between the guru or the instructor and the students. Okay? So first we are going to start with the loosening of the joints. So this is very easy to remember. This you can follow at home because these are simple movements. Asana should be learned under a proper instructor. So we'll start. You can stand on your mat now. So keep your feet slightly parallel. Feel on the feetoda points, பாதத்தோட points, feel all those points pressing on the mat. First get connected with your mat and slowly start stretching your body straight. Okay, we will start with the first joint, our neck joint. Inhale, breathe in, and when you breathe out, turn your head to the right shoulder. Okay, breathe in and breathe out to the left shoulder. You can also practice with eyes closed. It will give you more awareness to your right and to your left. Start listening to the sound of your own breath. To the right and exhale to the left. Okay, next movement is up and down. Do not move your shoulders, just drop your chin down and start breathing in. As you breathe in, start looking up completely, lips closed. And as you breathe out, slowly bring your chin down, chest. Repeat. Breathe in, head up. Breathe out, head down. Watch how the breath is flowing within your body. And breathe out, chin to the chest. Relax. Next, we are moving on to the shoulder joint. There are names for each asanas, but we are not going to touch upon on that. So shoulders, so you're going to keep your fingertips on the shoulders and using your elbows, you're going to make big circles. Inhale and exhale. You'll be able to watch that you're able to take deep breaths as you lift your elbows up. Inhale and exhale. Now, opposite side. Inhale backwards, pull your elbows backwards up and down. So, generally, keep doing. Shoulder rotations are very stress relieving. So, that's why if you're working for long hours in the computer, it's good to take breaks with such movements. Relax your hands down. Now, next joint is our elbows. Okay, so, we're going to do a simple movement for your elbows. Stretch your hands in the shoulder level, palms facing up. This is breathe in. And as you breathe out, bend at the elbows, touch your shoulders, and then inhale, stretch your arms up, elbows straight. Feel the tightness in the elbows. And exhale, bend again, bring it to the previous position, and inhale out. Let's do 3 rounds. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, watch the breath. You can also close your eyes. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Relax your hands. So we are doing 3 rounds of all the joint rotation today, but you'll find good relaxation if you do 10 rounds. Okay, a minimum of 10 rounds each. Okay, next we are going to move on to the hip joint. Okay, so this is a very relaxing one because especially women, we carry stress in a hip region. A simple hip rotation will actually feel, just try and see. Keep your feet slightly out and rotate your hips. So being all women today, it's nice to be together. So many of us together and rotate. It's just a normal breathing. You will complete one breath with one rotation. Okay, let's try the opposite side. Start breathe in and breathe out. With every exhalation, release the stress in your body and finish. Okay. Now let's move on to a wrist joint. Okay. We're going to keep the thumb inside and circle all the fingers around your thumb and rotate. Rotate the wrist with the same normal breathing. 4 and 5. Let's do opposite direction. 1. Feel a tightness in your wrist joint. 3, 4, and 5. Okay, next comes our wrist. Our fingers. Our fingers has so many joints, right? So you need to relax those fingers also. So as you inhale, nicely stretch the fingers and tighten the fingers. And exhale, hold a fist. Keep that inside and tighten the fist. Again, inhale and tighten the fingers together. One more time. Relax. Now we are going to go to the seated position. We still have the knees, the ankles, and the toe fingers. 3 more joints. Okay, you can sit on your mat. Sit with your legs outstretched. Hope you can see me. See, legs are stretched out. And keep your back straight. So again, this is another asana called as Dandasana. இந்த மாதிரி நேரா உட்கார்றதே ஒரு ஆசனா தான். I know for the first timers, it's actually very difficult, not that very easy. Okay, you can keep your hands on the side to keep your spine straight like a support, like a stand. The toes should be facing straight. Okay, so first we are going to do a loosening for the knee joint. You're going to tighten the kneecaps. Okay? If you're not able to do that, you can keep the hands on the knees. Inhale and tighten the knees. Tighten all the muscles around the knees and exhale, relax it. Start. Inhale, tighten the kneecaps. Exhale, relax. Inhale, tight, tight, tight. Even all the thigh muscles tighten. Exhale, relax. Again, inhale, exhale, relax. Now, bending of the knees, bend your knee and support your hand under the thighs. Okay, so inhale and stretch your legs straight. Exhale, bend. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in. When you stretch, tighten your knees. And when you breathe, completely bend the leg and relax. Now moving on to the other leg, left leg. Put your thighs. Start. Breathe in, stretch the leg straight, tighten the kneecaps. Exhale, bend it completely. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay, relax your legs. Back to that Dandasana, sitting straight. So your hips, shoulders and head are all aligned in the seat. Now we are moving on to the ankles. So as you breathe, you're going to bring your toes towards you. And as you breathe out, you're pressing the toes outside. Okay, this works the ankle joint. Breathe in, inhale, exhale. Just watch the movement of the breath. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now we'll do a rotation. Keep your legs slightly apart and rotate the toes. This nicely loosens the ankle joint. Do 5 times. Now anti-clockwise. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Last but not the least are the toe fingers. See, there are a lot of nerve endings at the toe fingers. So having an awareness or creating a stimulation in the toe fingers, actually, it works all the nervous system. So you're only going to bend your toe fingers towards you and bend it out. Breathe in, toe fingers towards you. So you're not moving the feet, only the toe fingers. Breathe out, press it down. Inhale, toe fingers towards you. Exhale, bend the toe fingers outside. Now try spreading the toe fingers. Inhale, spread the fingers. Create gaps between the toes and exhale, pull it together. Tighten it together. Again, inhale, stretch all the fingers. Create gaps. Exhale together. Last time, breathe in and breathe out. Good job. Let's slowly come to a standing position. We are done with the loosening. So these might be very simple, but they are very effective. You will experience it if you practice it daily. Okay, now to the warm up. So now we have to pick up a little cardio. So first is you are going to raise on your toes. Okay, raise on the toes and see whether you can walk in the mat. Just tip off the toes. Toe walking is very effective because we see so many nerves are ending in the feet. You also feel nice, tall and stylish, right? Like walking on high heels. So high heels are not good for health. Maybe you can try this toe walking at home to have a feel. Okay, good job. Relax. Next, what you're going to walk on the heels. Now the toes are lifted up. See, only the ball of the heels are on the mat. So walk. So you have a nice pressure to the points in the heels. Keep your abdomen in. Keep walking. Slow or fast, it's up to you. See, because there are people with different age groups. Those who want to try it fast, you can also walk fast and relax. Okay. So இதெல்லாம் ஒரு நல்ல ஒரு 20 seconds பண்ணீங்க நல்ல warm up ஆகும். Okay, next third warm up is you're going to lift the knee and touch the hand. So you can keep the hand in the hip level. இல்ல கால் தூக்க முடியுங்க, you can keep the hands a little lower. But every time you should bend the knees and touch it. Let's start. Again, you can do it fast or slow, it's up to you. Never compare. Yoga பண்றதுல மட்டும் you should not compare with others. Yoga is an experience. It is a personal experience. ஒவ்வொருத்தருக்கும் ஒவ்வொரு மாதிரியான experience வரும். So you cannot compare it with others. Good. கொஞ்சம் மூச்சு வாங்கிருச்சுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். Okay, next one. We are going to kick the leg. அல்ல காலை swing பண்ணி மேல எவ்வளவு தூரம் முடியுமோ தூக்க போறோம். So முடியாதவங்க you can keep the hand lower and you can touch like this. Those who can reach to the chest level. Or 10 vaati. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. முட்டி மடக்காம 10. Relax. Okay, last is the ukki. So ukki கோயில்ல மட்டும் போடுறோம். Try to practice ukki daily. It is like a whole body workout. Plus அந்த காதை புடிச்சு பண்றது all mental well-being வந்துருது. So our concept of today, physical well-being as well as mental well-being. So first left hand எடுத்துக்கோங்க. Left hand வச்சு right ear பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Then right hand hold the left ear. Okay, so in the squatting பண்றதுல you should squat with feet flat. காலை வந்து தூக்க கூடாது. Flat-ஆ எவ்வளவு தூரம் முடியுமோ அவ்வளவு தூரம் மட்டும் போகணும். So we'll do 7 today. Breathe in, breathe out. 1. Breathe out. 2. Breathe out. 3. Breathe out. 4. 5. மூச்சை கவனிச்சுட்டே பண்ணணும். 6. 7. இதுல காமன் மிஸ்டேக் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்னா பாடியும் சேர்த்து ஆட்டுவோம். இப்படி இப்படி அது பண்ணாதீங்க, because it is very strenuous for the heart. So keep your body straight. Only squat with the lower body. So warm up முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. You are slightly warmed up now. இப்பதான் அந்த 5 core asanas. So spine can stretch upwards. So நம்மளோட ஸ்பைன்ல அந்த vertebrae இருக்கு பாத்தீங்களா? So அது எல்லாம் as we age என்ன ஆகுது, அந்த cartilage எல்லாம் சுருங்கி எல்லாம் ஒட்ட ஆரம்பிச்சிருது. ஸோ அதுல posture இதாவது other problems, back problems நிறைய வருது. So அந்த space, if it is created, it will be healthy. அதுக்கு one simple asana is to stretch your body upwards. So you're going to do raise on your toes. So ரொம்ப வயசானவங்க டோஸ்ல வந்தா imbalance இருக்குன்னா பண்ண தேவையில்லை. Just you can stretch your hands up. Okay, keep your hands straight, shoulders push back, legs together, all the fingers closed in. Now start watching your breath. Breathe in, raise your hands up, clasp the fingers together and stretch it up. Okay, those who can slowly inhale and raise on your toes. Now I'm standing on the tip of my toes. Stay பண்றப்ப you have to watch the ஒரு 3 breathing-ஓ இல்ல 5 breathing-ஓ, you are watch your own breath. Slowly exhale and relax. We'll do it one more time. Inhale, raise your hands, clasp it together and stretch it up. அதுக்கப்புறம் normal breathing. Eyesight should be focused at one point. And awareness is in your breath. Long inhalation, because you're stretching up. The more you inhale, the more you can stretch and balance. Slowly relax. So every asana I'm going to show you a little advanced and also beginner. So beginner na enna toes mele po thevilla, just fat feet, and you can keep the hands up. Idile spine stretch, we are only aiming for the spine stretch. Konja younger irukavanga, if you do on the toes, you will be working your muscles. So see, yoga has lot of variation. It can be made suitable for all age categories, all physical condition. Okay, so don't think ஐயோ என்னால யோகா முடியாது அது மாதிரி நிறைய பேர் இருக்கீங்க. It's not like that. Everybody should do yoga in your daily life. Okay, second, first spine stretching பண்ணிட்டோம். இதே இது தலைகீழ பண்ணுவாங்க, சாசனா அதெல்லாம் இருக்கு. But we are not going to do that today. Second is a forward bending. So அடுத்து நம்மளால என்ன பண்ண முடியும்னா, you can bend forward. So first we are going to do asana called Pada Hastasana. ஏன் அந்த பேரு? கையில போய் நம்ம கால் பக்கத்துல கொண்டு போறோம். ஹேண்டுக்கு ஹஸ்த, பாதத்துக்கு பாத. So first you watch the asana. Breathing எப்படி பண்றேன்னு. First you will inhale, raise your hands. Exhale, you will start bending from the hip without rounding the back and bend. So that will go close to the foot, or you can also keep it on the toes. Okay, let's try that. In the bending எங்க இருந்து ஆரம்பிக்கணும்? Lower backல இருந்து. It should not start from the head. Okay, but those who are having serious back problems, sciatica or other problems, slip disc, இந்த asana பண்ண வேண்டாம். I will show you another variation. Okay, raise your hands, breathe in. கொஞ்சம் பாருங்க, bend பண்ணுங்க, hipல இருந்து bend பண்ணி. Keep your arms in line with your ears and slowly come down. நல்லா தலைய ஃப்ரீயா விட்டுறணும். So இப்பயும் you should start watching your breath. So இதுல ஜாஸ்தி exhalation. Inhale and exhale longer. Inhale ஒரு 3 seconds பண்ணீங்கன்னா, exhale for at least 5 to 6 seconds. One more time. Inhale, exhale longer. Slowly come up. Keep your arms in line with your ears. Exhale down. So ஒவ்வொரு ஸ்பைன் எப்படி ஸ்ட்ரெச் ஆகுதோ அதுக்கேற்ற மாதிரி பாடிக்கு பெனிஃபிட்ஸ் வருது. ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நான் சொன்னதுல ஸ்ட்ரெச்சஸ்ல என்ன பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, வெர்டெப்ரே வந்து நல்லா ஹெல்த்தியா இருக்கு. அதோட இட் ஹேஸ் தட் இனஃப் குட் ஸ்பேஸ் அண்ட் த கார்ட்லேஜ் இஸ் ஆல்சோ ஹெல்த்தி. ஃபார்வர்ட் பெல் என்ன ஆகுதுன்னா, வி கெட் அ லாட் ஆஃப் கன்ட்ராக்ஷன் இன் தி அப்டமன். ஸோ அப்போ என்ன ஆகுது? digestion, elimination, everything is taken care of. We do any type of forward bending. So நிறைய forward bending asana இருக்கு. So this is a simplest and easiest to follow. Okay, what to do for people who can't bend? சில பேர் இவ்வளவுதான் bend பண்ணிருப்பீங்க, you're not able to bend down. For the kind of people, you should go to the wall. Let's think that this is a wall. You should keep your hands against the wall and move your legs back and press your back parallel to the floor. அதாவது பால் ஒரு எல் ஷேப் மாதிரி, ஹேண்ட் நல்லா வால்ல சப்போர்ட் பண்ணிட்டு you will bend. So again there is a bending forward, the spine is being forward. You can stay in this position. The head should be in between the hands and you should be looking down. So பண்றது பெருசுல, staying in the asana. When it comes to asana, I told you sthiram sukham asanam. You should still hold the posture. See how much you can relax in the posture. So இதெல்லாம் பண்றதுக்கு it will take time. If you just bend and get, you will not see any benefits. Okay, slowly release and up. Wall supported இந்த asana forward bending பண்ணலாம். Next is back bending. Bending the spine backwards. அதோட general benefits என்னன்னு பார்த்தா, இப்பெல்லாம் நம்ம back bend பண்றப்போ our rib cage will expand. So என்ன ஆகுது? We are able to breathe well. So all breathing related problems are slowly taken care when you do lot of back bends like asthma, அந்த மாதிரி breathing பிரச்சனை உள்ளவங்க எல்லாமே, trouble இருக்கிறவங்க, all they can practice the back bends. So today I'm going to do a simple back bend, that is Bhujangasana ன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, படுத்துட்டு பண்றது. That is very helpful women. I chose this asana specifically because all of you are women. So lie down on the mat on the stomach. நீங்க ஒரு தடவை பார்த்துட்டு அப்புறம் கூட பண்ணிக்கலாம். So we will lie down on the mat, toes are pointed, chin is on the mat. I'm keeping the palms in line with chest. Okay. Now as you inhale, I'm raising my upper body. So இது பேரு புஜங்காசனா இல்லாட்டி ஸ்னேக் போஸ். ஸோ ஒரு பாம்பு மாதிரி பாடியை லிஃப்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். So you have to press the whole of your legs, thighs, knees, toes on the floor. இப்போ ட்ரை பண்ணலாம். All of you lying on the mat, chin on the mat, palms in line your chest. Toes are pointed and you can keep the toes slightly apart. Beginners, keep this apart. இப்போ breathe. அப்படியே நல்ல மூச்சு உள்ள இழுத்துட்டே பாடியை மேக்குங்க. யூஸ் த ஸ்ட்ரென்த் ஆஃப் யர் ஸ்பைன். ஹேண்ட் வந்து சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுது, பட் நீங்க முடிஞ்ச அளவு உங்களோட பேக்கோட ஸ்ட்ரென்த்ல பாடியை தூக்குங்க. ஸ்லோலி எக்ஸேல். ஸோ இதை ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைனாமிக் ஒரு 5 வாட்டி அந்த மாதிரி கூட பண்ணி பழகலாம். ஏன்னா இதுல ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் ஹோல்ட் பண்றது கஷ்டம். ஸோ வில் ட்ரை டு டூ திஸ் டைனாமிக். லெட்ஸ் ஸ்டார்ட். பிரீத் இன், stretch the body up, exhale, bring the chin to the mat. Inhale, exhale. When you inhale, nicely precise, tighten your hips and exhale. Slowly relax. Slowly come to a sitting position and relax yourself. So over asana mudicha udane you should take at least 5 seconds for your breathing to settle down and your muscles to relax. எல்லா ஆசனது மசில் ஸ்ட்ரெச் பண்றது தான் ஆசனாவே. ஸோ அந்த ஸ்ட்ரெச்சிங் வந்து கொஞ்ச நேரம் ரிலாக்ஸிங்க்கு வர வரைக்கும் யூ ஹாவ் டு ரெஸ்ட். இட் மைட் பி 5 or 10 seconds. Slowly get up. இப்போ ஸ்டாண்டிங் பெண்ட். ஸோ வாட் இஃப் சில பேரால ரொம்ப வயசானவங்களோட படுத்து எந்திரிச்சு பண்ண முடியாது, அப்ப பின்னாடி பெண்ட் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு யூ கேன் யூஸ் த வால். வால் பக்கத்துல கொஞ்சம் நின்றுட்டு கொஞ்சம் கேப் விட்டுட்டு யூ வில் இன்ஹேல், ரே யுவர் ஆர்ம்ஸ், பேக் ஆர்ச் பண்ணி இப்படி வாலை பிடிச்சிக்கலாம். இந்த பொசிஷன்ல கொஞ்ச நேரம் ரே பண்ணிட்டு தென் ரிலாக்ஸ். செகண்ட் டைம் பண்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி அகெயின் ரிலாக்ஸ். ரிலாக்ஸ் ஏன்னா பேக் பெண்டிங் வந்து கொஞ்சம் ஸ்பைனுக்கு கொஞ்சம் ஸ்ட்ரெயினா இருக்கும். ஸோ யூ ஹாவ் டு ரிலாக்ஸ். வில் ட்ரை திஸ். Inhale, raise your hands and arch your spine. So wall irundhuchuna you can hold the wall. Exhale, relax. So anga mele irukappa normal breathing தான். உங்களால டீப்பா பிரீத் பண்றது கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமா இருக்கும். முடிஞ்சா those who can hold the breath for seconds, that is very good. But மூச்சு ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கவங்களால மூச்சு பிடிச்சிக்க முடியாது. ஸோ நீங்க வந்து அது ஷாலோ பிரீதிங்கா இருக்கும். பட் மூச்சு கவனிக்கிறது தான் ஆசனா. நீங்க வந்து போஸ பயங்கரமா பண்றதுல ஆசனா இல்லை. யூ டூ ஃபாலோயிங் த ரைட் இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன்ஸ் அண்ட் ஃபாலோயிங் த பிரெத். ஓகே, வில் மூவ் ஆன் டு த நெக்ஸ்ட் மூவ்மெண்ட் ஆஃப் த ஸ்பைன். ஸோ ஸ்பைனால ட்விஸ்ட் பண்ண முடியும். தட் இஸ் அ நெக்ஸ்ட் மூவ்மெண்ட் we are going to see now. So first a little tougher one. This is called as Triyak Tadasana. Okay, நம்ம ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பண்ணோம் இல்லையா இந்த தடாசனா, அந்த ஆசனாலே சைட் பெண்டிங். Okay, so if you come to the Tadasana position, raise your hands, nalla fingers tight clasp panni, elbow straight and the wrist pressed upwards. Inhale, breathe in this position. Now slowly exhale, stretch towards your right and stay. So spine abdi lateral stretching. This is called as lateral extension of the spine. So inga mistake enna shoulder திருப்பிடுவோம் அப்படி. Never do that. Keep your shoulders straight, elbows straight, head between your arms. Inhale, come up, exhale. Now stretch your spine towards the left. Check whether your feet are nicely pressed on the mat, thighs are tightened, engaged, hips are tight. Again, inhale, up, exhale, relax. This is one round of Triyak Tadasana. We'll try this for full breathing sequence. So இப்போ வந்து நல்ல breath watch பண்ணுங்க. Inhale, exhale, stay in the position, normal breathing. ஒரு 3 மூச்சு. Inhale and exhale. Watching the breath will help you to understand your own breathing. Inhale, come to the straight position, Tadasana. Exhale, Triyak Tadasana. Nalla shoulders open pannu. Your face is not covered by your arms. Inhale, come up. Exhale, release. எதுக்கு இந்த பொசிஷன்னா in the hand bound position, that immediately what is that, it stretches your spine straight. So twist lateral bending எப்பயுமே வந்து it is straight. So you have to stretch the spine straight and then only bend to the side. இந்த stretch இல்லாம sideல bend பண்ணீங்கன்னா pain தான் வரும். There will be compression. அந்த எல்லா vertebrae compress ஆயிக்கணும். So always you should stretch. Okay, next we are going to do the twist. Keep your feet slightly apart. You're going to stretch your hands, breathe in, and as you breathe out, you twist and place your hands around your shoulders. So, one hand back la irukku, other over the shoulders. Again, breathe in and just interchange your hands and look back. Relax. I'll show you from the back position. So, inhale. Exhale. ரெண்டு காலும் நான் நல்லா அழுத்தி வச்சிருக்கேன், காலை திருப்பல. I'm only twisting the lower back, upper back, shoulders and head. You will be staying for 3 breathing and then you will inhale and just interchange the hands and twist to the opposite side. By keeping the hands around the back will keep you relaxed and it will help you to stay for longer. Relax. So twisting is generally very relaxing and stress free. So எப்பயோ ரொம்ப anxious இருக்கு, இல்ல too many things are running in your mind, you want to let everything out அப்படின்னா சில twists will actually help you to relieve the stress in your mind. So it will help you in the mental well-being also. Okay, but generally twist எப்படின்னா it will actually clear all the toxins collected in the body, mainly in the abdomen region and the elimination region. So adukku innor asana, this might not help that much. This will just help to relieve the stress in the spine and also your mind. Come to a seated position. This is a very good asana for women. So today I have selected the asanas which are specifically good for women. So leg nalla wide kaala virichu vechirukom. Keep your back straight. So in the asana எப்படின்னா it's dynamic. இதுல hold இல்ல. We are going to inhale, hands forward, exhale, twist. So right hand you are trying to bring it towards the left foot. அப்படியே inhale, exhale, left hand towards the right. So இது dynamic இப்படி 1 2 அந்த மாதிரி பண்ண போறோம். ஓகே, நீங்க எதுல அவேர் வச்சிருக்கணும்னா எப்படி பாடி நல்லா ட்விஸ்ட் ஆகுது, துணி புளியிற மாதிரி எப்படி ட்விஸ்ட் ஆகுது. அப்புறம் பிரீதிங், எவ்ரி டைம் ட்விஸ்ட் பண்றப்ப சேல் எக்ஸேல் எக்ஸேல் அந்த கவனம் இருக்கணும். இதுல இன்ஹலேஷன் இஸ் வெரி பாசிவ். தானா இன்ஹேல் வரும், நம்ம மூச்சு எடுக்காம இருக்க மாட்டோம். That will be voluntarily going in. So that is a passive inhalation. Okay, let's start. We'll try 5 rounds. Inhale, exhale, exhale, exhale. திரும்பி பார்க்கணும், பின்னாடி உள்ள கையை திரும்பி பாருங்க. 4 and 5. Relax, keep the hands in the side, completely relax. So relax பண்றப்ப spine round பண்ணக்கூடாது, spine நேரா இருக்கிறது தான் relaxation. We'll try one more round. Again, breathe in, exhale, exhale, 2 3 4, upper back நல்லா twist பண்ணணும், and 5. Come back to the relaxing position. Bring your legs together and sit in Dandasana. Okay. Now slowly come to a Sitting posture, Vajrasana, முடிஞ்சா வஜ்ராசனால உட்காரலாம் இல்ல ஃபர்ஸ்ட் உட்கார்ந்தீங்க லெக்ஸ் கிராஸ்ட் லெஃப்ட் வந்து உள்ள வச்சு அது வச்சு காமிச்சுறேன் சுகாசனா நம்மளோட இடது கால் அதை வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் உள்ள வச்சு அப்புறமா வலது காலை வச்சு நேரா வைக்கிறது இப்போ யாருக்காவது எனக்கு இந்த பொசிஷன்ல என்னால நேராவே உட்கார முடியல பேக் ரவுண்டடாவே இருக்குன்னா இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு சின்ன பிளாங்கெட் இல்ல இது திஸ் இஸ் கால்ட் அஸ் யோகா பிளாக்ஸ் இல்ல வீட்ல இருக்க பிளாங்கெட்டே திக்கா மடிச்சிட்டு யூ கேன் கீப் இட் அண்டர் ஸோ இதுல எப்படி உட்காரணும்னா எட்ஜில் உட்காரணும் யூ ஷுட் சிட் இன் த எட்ஜ் அண்ட் யுவர் லெக்ஸ் ஷுட் பி டவுன் அப்படி உட்கார்ந்து பாருங்க தட் இஸ் யுவர் ஹிப் இஸ் ஸ்லைட்லி லிஃப்டட் அப் knees down on the mat instantly your back will be straight so this is how there are a lot of methods to go into a straight spine position breathing pranayama has lot of aspects adu proper there should be a separate session for that so today I'm going to teach you a simple breathing abdominal breathing இது main for your mental well-being it can be practiced anytime எப்பெல்லாம் உங்களுக்கு முடியுதோ லை டவுன் பொசிஷன்லயோ உட்காந்தோ எப்படினாலும் நீங்க ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணலாம் ஸோ சிட் இன் திஸ் பொசிஷன் ரைட் ஹேண்ட் எடுத்து கீப் இட் ஓவர் யோர் அப்டமன் எங்கன்னா பெல்லி பட்டனுக்கு கொஞ்சம் மேல ஜஸ்ட் அபவ் த நேவல் you breathe so before I tell you the method நீ கண்ணை மூடிட்டு you just watch the breathing and see whether there is movement in your hands இந்த இடத்துல மூச்சுனால ஏதாவது மூவ்மெண்ட் இருக்கா வாட்ச் பண்ணுங்க close your eyes now you are completely relaxed we gave good healthy rotation for your joints a good warm up for your whole body and all the required stretch a spine needs through 5 asanas now your awareness is only in the breathing okay இப்போ கண்ணு திறந்துக்கலாம் ஆக்சுவலா இந்த பிரீதிங்ல எப்படி மூவ்மெண்ட் ஃபீல் பண்ணணும்னா when you breathe வயிறு வந்து கொஞ்சம் வெளியே வரணும் அப்படியே பாம்ஸ் வந்து வெளியில பண்ணணும் when you breathe out அப்படியே வயிறு உள்ள போகும் ரொம்பலாம் இல்ல லேசா அந்த மூவ்மெண்ட் வந்து தெரியணும் so this is a right way of breathing இத கொஞ்சம் பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணி பண்ணி நம்ம நார்மலாவே இப்படி பிரீத் பண்ணோம்னா நம்மளோட நம்பர் ஆஃப் பிரெத்ஸ் ரெடியூஸ் அண்ட் வில் ஹாவ் அ கிளாரிட்டி ஆஃப் திங்கிங் this is abdominal breathing and which can be practiced at any time but ரொம்ப immediately after food already வயிறு பெருசாவே இருக்கும் so movement தெரியாது so முடிஞ்ச அளவு stomach வந்து கொஞ்சம் ஃப்ரீயா இருக்காங்க okay now you can close your eyes and you can follow my instructions keep your right palm over the abdomen keep your spine straight relax your shoulders close your eyes gently just watch the breathing natural breathing ரொம்ப இழுத்து கஷ்டப்பட்டு அப்படிலாம் பிரீத் பண்ணல நீங்க உங்களோட ஓன் நேச்சுரல் பிரீதிங் now as you inhale watch whether you can see the abdomen is pushing the palm slightly out and as you breathe out see whether your abdomen is pulled in inhale belly out exhale abdomen goes in inhale out exhale in inhale and as you exhale அப்படியே கொஞ்சம் லைட்டா வயிறை நல்லா உள்ள இழுங்க and release and inhale watch the abdomen being out and as you exhale you're drawing that abdomen towards the spine relax and you see the abdomen is bulging out and as you breathe out you consciously you draw that abdomen in towards the spine all your awareness in the breathing continue ஒரு 5 மூச்சு நீங்களா all your outside world thoughts are shut down your awareness is only in the breathing and the movement is it's causing to the abdomen fall into that rhythm of your own breathing and you will naturally see your mind is calming down Slowly open your eyes. So in the abdomen breathing, physiological aspect, it will correct your digestion also. And in the mental thing, it calms your nervous system. So it can be done whenever you want to, and it's best before sleep. So அந்த ஸ்லீப் வந்து ப்ராப்பர் ஸ்லீப்பா இருக்கும். ஸோ நிறைய எயில்மெண்ட்ஸ் எதனால வருதுன்னா அந்த ஸ்லீப் ப்ராப்பரா இல்லை. யூ ஸ்லீப் 7 to 8 hours, பட் அது டீப் ஸ்லீப்பா இருக்கா, அது வந்து there is a question. ஸோ இஃப் யூ ஆர் ஏபிள் டு டூ அ கான்ஷியஸ் பாடிக்கு தேவையான அந்த ரெஸ்ட் ப்ராப்பரா இருக்கும், there will not be any ailment. So yoga is not only what all we did now. Yoga is proper food in the right time and in the right amount. That is also very important. Proper rest proper body ki irukano. You should be active, and when you need rest, you need to rest, and proper sleep and proper movements for the body. That is the spine. நம்மளோட spine தான் வந்து core of the body. இதுக்குரிய proper movements இருந்தா body will be healthy. ஸோ இது எல்லாத்தையுமே அடக்குனது தான் யோகா. ஸோ இட்ஸ் நாட் ஜஸ்ட் த எக்ஸசைஸ். ஸோ ஐ ஹோப் யூ வில் டேக் ஆல் தீஸ் பாயிண்ட்ஸ், ஃபாலோ யுவர் லைஃப், and take this as an opportunity for you to go out and learn yoga under proper supervision of a yoga instructor. Okay, so we'll end our session today with a proper prayer. So idhula prayer, as I told you, spiritual, holistic, and varandradinga. எப்பயுமே யோகா should start with a prayer. அது any prayer of your own choice. There is no religion in yoga, and ending should be prayer. So in the ரெண்டு prayer there is no religion. First it was a prayer about how to have a good rapport between the teacher and the student, and how they can work together to better knowledge. Last என்னன்னா, lead us from darkness to light. So we'll finish with the prayer. Close your eyes. Asatoma Sagamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityoma Amritam Gaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Bow your head down. Slowly open your eyes with a smile.
Yes, thank you very much, Vani ma'am. It was a wonderful session with all basic and simple steps that you have taught us. And I hope all participants must have really enjoyed it with the basic steps that you have taught us today. It was really useful to all of us. And many times, as women, during this pandemic period, we all sit at home. That too for working women. Our work has become doubled, right? Now, like, you have to take care of your family, and you have to be like sitting at home and doing your work online. And now it becomes OT for all of us, right? Over time. So since we are sitting at home, normally, we'll have a feel that, we have to give extra care to the family, isn't it? So we'll be doing it. And around us, we've got so much of maybe the negativity, I would say, because, when you listen to the news and TV, and when you read in the press, media, and other areas, we all have the normal fear about COVID, right? So we have so much of remedies based on our food and based on the exercises, yoga, meditation, everything. Let us take all these precautions and try to be healthy, and spread it to your people, your network members, so that all of them will be happy and healthy, right? So I hope all of you must have enjoyed the session, and thanks for being with us. So tomorrow we'll have Mrs. Gautami. She's from press, and she'll be talking to her about the present situation of women in media, as well as the work life of women in the media sector. And I'm sure you will all be able to have a very good learning session on tomorrow also. Till then, take care. Good day.